Last but not least, we have the Mud Bog, brought to you by SuperClean, Muddstir, and the Meyer Family.
All right, everybody. Thank you for coming out for the 5th annual Top Tractor Challenge 2023. We've had a glorious amount of support this year, along with help getting the courses set up, materials for the courses, and sponsors. You guys are competing for over $1,000 worth of prizes and cash today. Woo! Super crazy support.
Ready, set, go!
Be Destructive is our first victim on the Mud Bog. We attempted to pump out the bog 2 to 3 times throughout the day, but the amount of rainfall, we could just not keep up. So there's a lot more water in there than we usually like.
Get it running before you try to move.
Drink water.
It's like neck and neck with
That was good, George.
excited.
Don't want to ruin it for the rider. You're still moving. Yeah. Nice run. Ready, set, go.
And that's it for our final event, the Mud Bog, to end out the Top Tractor Challenge 2023. Congratulations to Ethan on a first place finish. He had the furthest overall distance, and due to the excess rain, that extra water cost a lot of competitors a lot of issues.
Well, thank you guys all for coming out. Actually,
Thank all of you guys for coming out. None of this would be possible without any of you guys. Now, I gotta set it back up.
Especially to all the ladies that helped with scoring.
Yes.
All those idiots. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's actually correct
People that
this
did our
year.
film work and stuff.
Oh
Thank
yeah.
you very much.
yeah,
for
thanks
stepping in.
everybody for doing film work.
I can't wait to post it.
Unfortunately, we had horrible weather, but it turned out fairly decent, I guess.
I think that's great.
So, we got a plethora of amazing sponsors this year. We have first place is getting a massive care package from Longtime Welding up in St. Johnsbury, Vermont. You get a whole bunch of cool stuff. I can't even list it all off. Adam Small Engines $100 gift certificate. We got top 3 places have AuxBeam LED pod lights. They 6-mode function. Pretty cool. First and second get a GooLoo jump starter. We have OK Offroad Mowers up in Canada. They sent down a care package for first place. Adam Small Engines, we got koozies for top 4. And SuperClean, we have a whole bunch of product for SuperClean. And a whole bunch of other sponsors that sponsored in funds. This would not be able to happen without them guys. But without further ado, we're gonna list off the final results.
Woo!
How are we doing it?
You're reading them.
I know 9 through 5.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh,
about your
I
best
forgot to
friend?
say, first place goes home with $150 cash. Second place goes home with $80.
The trophy.
And yeah, first place, if you lose the trophy, you're never invited back. Tom. And third goes home with $40.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. In 9th place, we had Jerry.
Woo!
Good show.
Come on up and give a speech if you'd like. You don't have to.
It's required.
It's required.
All right, fine.
Okay. All right. In 8th place, we have Adam.
Oh, come on.
In 7th place, we have Josh.
Nice. No speech from me.
Come on.
No one wants to talk.
Losers.
All right. 6th place was Georgie.
Georgie!
All right, now. All right, fine. What? Everybody's losers this year. 5th place, here on out, gets an automatic invite back to next year's TTC.
And the guy gave a speech.
And they have to give a speech. So, 5th place.
5th place is John.
Congratulations. He's first ever hydrostatic at TTC. Congratulations. Here,
I got to get way up like I want to thank Sean, Serene, Sean's whole family. I think it's a big deal having a bunch of retards out here. You know, I mean, so that's really it. You know, and I've been talking to Sean. I've been wanting to run the TTC, wanting to run it, and he finally, you know, invited me. And then I break the news that I'm going to bring a hydro. So I ran a hydro, 5th place. I'll take it. I mean, that is.
Woo!
Okay. 4th place, we have Tom.
Unfortunately, we ruined the heaviest trophy because you got 4th.
Maybe it'll stay in the toolbox.
Well, I'd just like to say thanks to you. I know how much of a pain this is to put all this stuff on. Thanks for everybody we competed against. I had some hard luck. It was mostly my fault, so I'll take that on the chin. It is what it is. Had a wiring meltdown and some other little stuff that didn't quite go my way, but had a great time, and thanks for having me.
All right. 3rd place, we have Ryan Beaver.
Yeah. Do we get him a song?
Big winner.
Be careful, there's sharp edges.
Cut yourself.
First of all, I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for giving us opportunity. Look at the sunshine the Lord has gave us today. I'd like to thank my beautiful wife for letting me come up here. Kristen has gave me this opportunity to come here for the 3rd year in a row, show that I can do a little driving here and there with the boys. I'd like to thank the Meyer family, Sean, his mom and dad, Serene, everybody else that helped behind the scenes. Couldn't have been without, you know, them doing this, to have the opportunity to even drive 8 hours from home state to come up here and visit y'all and have a good old time. This is my 3rd top 3 in a row. I really didn't think with the 3rd different tractor I brought in my old age and just the way my body feels that I was gonna do that good today. So I surprised myself. Really can't say much. Steven Universe did a heck of a job for me. Only single cylinder running today. So I had so many metal shavings, like so much metal in my oil. I ran it for 10 minutes and changed the oil. It looked like anise. So I'm really glad that my rod is still inside my block. And I'm gonna shut up on that note. So hi Mom and Dad, love you. See you baby girl. I love you Natalie. Woo! Woo!
First place now.
First place.
Yep.
First place. First place. Sean.
Woo! Yeah! We gotta go get home.
Don't lose the trophy or you won't get invited back.
Fair enough.
I should have had you do it. It's freaking heavy.
The only one because he didn't build it.
Woo! Yeah! And Georgia ain't wrong. It is the only first place I've ever got because it's not what I built.
Nice.
Wow. It only took me 5 years to accomplish this, but I'm super excited. Thank all you guys for coming out. Thank you all for making this awesome. And without further ado, that leaves Georgie.
No, it doesn't. Ethan.
Wait.
Ethan. Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah.
We already said everything else.
Sean doesn't know what he's talking about. Second place, we have Ethan.
I just wanted to compare you with George.
I don't know what to say.
Second place, buddy.
Oh yeah, he was a single cylinder.
I don't know what to say.
I don't think I've ever heard you talk.
Really? I appreciate having the opportunity to do this, and that's all I know what to say.
Whatever.
Oh, your best artist.
Oh, yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah, so.
Wait.
No, not you.
You guys.
For best carnage, we have Adam.
I know you're not really supposed to be in front of the camera.
Not only does Adam get the greatest carnage trophy, Longbow Jerky come in with an ammo can full of jerky, and Adam gets to go home with $50. Speak.
Thank you all. It's just an honor to be here racing with all you all.
Hell yeah.
I'll take that as a win. Thank you all. That's all I got.
All right, everybody. Thank you all for coming out. This was awesome. 5th annual TTC. I hate to break it to you guys, but this is the final TTC, and you all were a part of it. And I'm super excited to have you guys here to share that with me. But the TTC is not over. It's the final TTC that is here in Pontoon, Pennsylvania.
Right in the damn camper.
We're good.
As the land quakes.
If everything goes according to plan, TTC 2024 will be at Good Evening Ranch in Canvas, West Virginia next year. It's going to be a whole different ball game. Everyone's going to be invited. Everyone's going to be able to watch and come out and enjoy a long weekend of TTC fun. Thank you guys all. Let's drink some beer or water and have a good evening.